Hi, Mike Siegel here from Allstate Home Leisure. Wanted to go over today with the Gold Pool Kit. This kit is one of the choices you can get once you choose to buy a pool. The Gold Kit's going to give you everything that you need to get the pool going. It's going to give you the leaf skimmer. It's going to give you the wall brush, the skimmer for the pool, a weighted vacuum head, even a thermometer. It's going to give you some basic chemicals to get you going. Also going to give you a pool hose. Depending on what size pool you get, you'll get the proper hose, a vacuum pole. You also are going to get our 2 horsepower, 2-speed waterway cartridge filter. This is going to help you keep your pool clean. It's very energy efficient if you're running on speed 1. Also with the kit, you get a ladder, which is our standard A-frame ladder. Very good, it's all resin, has ability to lock to keep the kids out. Again, this is our Gold Pool Kit from Allstate Home Leisure. When you come in, feel free to ask questions about it. We'll be glad to help you out.